In the first week of Vlogmas, my sister made for me one nice warm cup of chai tea. Hi friends, it's Sam and welcome to Vlogmas. That's right, this month, for the entire month, I will be filming every single day and uploading every single week for your viewing pleasure in the lead up to Christmas and in the lead up to New Year. I've been so excited to do this. I've been so excited to open my advent calendar, which I just did. Today is Saturday and I work 9 to 7 every single Saturday, so I'm sorry, don't expect much footage from today. However, I am planning on decorating my workplace today, so if I can sneakily put up my tripod and film a bit of that, I'm gonna do that. And then Jess is out tonight, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And then tomorrow we'll be putting up the tree and decorating the house. Monday, I'm going to do some bedroom clearing. Tuesday, we're going to do some Christmas shopping. Friday, I've got my work meal. It's getting festive up in here already. So stick around, subscribe to come along on my adventure. It is currently raining, so the walk to work is going to be fun, but we won't let it dampen the Christmas spirits. My sexy uniform that I'm about to change out of. I had a good day. I decorated the shop. I spilt a relentless on myself. I kind of ran a trolley into a can of it and it burst, but I drank the remains because I had to pay for it anyway, so might as well drink it, you know? Jess is out tonight, which means that we can't go with our usual plan of watching Top Model and I'm a Celebrity, so I'm gonna make the most of my time and edit my video for Wednesday, maybe do a bit of sewing, maybe read a little book, and that will conclude my Saturday. It is Sunday, we've just got home from Nan's and we're about to make lunch. You're gonna have to excuse my face today because there's no time for makeup. We're gonna have lunch, we're gonna get the Christmas decorations down from the attic and we're gonna put the tree up. But first, let me make a toasty.
we needed, do you?
No. Oh, what's this? That looks festive. It's gross though. Oh my god, look at my hands. Oh no! It is filthy up here. What's this? That is disgusting. I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh, mamma mia. Look at that. Look at those hands. That's revolting. Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. So we just trimmed up, we've done the tree, we've done the kitchen. Well, Mum did the kitchen, Jess and I did the tree, the centerpiece, Mum did everything else. The house looks beautiful. We're now going to sit down and watch our second Christmas movie of the year. The first one was The Grinch, which we saw in the cinema. The second one is the Netflix one, whose title escapes me, but it has Ego in it from Guardians of the Galaxy. And I'm going to paint my nails while we watch it because I feel like Vlogmas deserves a bit of effort. So we just watched The Christmas Chronicles, which was amazing. I shed a couple of tears, which was really unexpected. I didn't expect to cry, and Jess found it bloody hilarious. I painted my nails Christmas red. Hey, who's that over there? I was gonna make a roast dinner. Can you not slurp in the back?
Sorry.
Shop.
You were gonna make roast dinner.
I was gonna make a roast dinner. However, I thought, hey, why not save that for tomorrow when we go to the supermarket and get some yummy veggies? Tonight we're gonna have curry instead. I was gonna have a bath as well, but I now can't be bothered. Okay? Cool. Monday and the weather is awful. Do you know what? I woke up to sun streaming through my window. I could actually see the time on the clock across the room from my bed. But now I can see nothing. It's so dark, it's so wet. I was gonna walk the dog, but now I can't. I am going for a drive with my mum and auntie to get a bit more practice before my test. I am gonna tidy my room, but I've got so much editing to do. So I'm probably gonna spend most of the day doing that. But I am gonna make a roast dinner tonight, so you can look forward to that. I got a big blemish on my forehead, which is usually Jess's line, but we're gonna live with that today because makeup days start tomorrow. Okay? I'll look decent for you tomorrow onwards. I promise. So now I'm gonna sit down and make some cushions. I've got an hour and a half before my auntie's due here. And I've only made 5 cushions. I have 5 more to make before the big day. And it's stressing me out, and I need to pull my finger out and make the other 5. I've nearly finished cushion 6. Okay? So really, I have 4 left to make, but that's still a lot. And we've got to get on that. Grocery shopping. I've put the groceries away. I've had lunch. I'm now going to tidy my room. I've got to clear up my wardrobe, clear my desk, and while I do that, I'm going to catch up on some YouTube because I'm really behind and I miss watching my buddies. So let's do that. Done. I did my wardrobe, I cleaned my desk, I cleaned my makeup table. I also put those wheel trims away that have been sitting in my room since the beginning of October, so I'm happy about that. I have a big bag of goods to take to the charity shop on my way into town tomorrow. I've added something to my Depop and I'm ready to sit down and edit for several hours, so I will see you at dinner time. A tiny bit of makeup, which means I look a tiny bit better than yesterday. So I'm walking to the train station now. I've got my bag of charity shop goodies to take to the charity shop on the way, and I'm gonna meet Jess at the train station because that's where her lessons end. She's doing some driving this morning. Then we're gonna do some Christmas shopping. I've still got to buy for my brothers and the dog. And then Jess is gonna do my hair in the salon, which is very kind of her as it's her day off. But my hair has faded spectacularly and is in need of a little pick-me-up, so we're gonna do that. I just walked a different route towards town because if you're a regular watcher of my vlogs, you probably get very bored of me walking down the same street. So yeah, let's go. I found a waving stray and we're now very hungry because I was early, she was late. I was sat there for
all
84 years. So now we're gonna go Pret and get some soup
And a cup of tea.
and a cup of tea.
It's a bit of a weird combination.
Actually, I want a latte. A latte. And then we're gonna go Primark and buy some stuff. And I may torture myself looking at the Harry Potter homework. Hungry. Mum's just done us Goodfellas vegan pizza, which is beautiful. We've also got garlic bread, so I'm gonna devour that. It's been a good day, and I got a text through about my driving retest, so that's in 2 days and I'm breaking it. But yeah, good day all around. I'm gonna go eat my pizza. So it's Wednesday and I'm currently in our car about to clean her because I have a test tomorrow and I'm really scared. This will be my 3rd test. I failed 2 already. So yeah, I know how bad it feels and I'm very aware that I may be about to feel that bad again in just over 24 hours. But I have work today, so I won't be vlogging very much. I probably won't vlog at all tonight, just to go home and chill out. But yeah, I'm gonna clean my car and I'll probably see you when I get ready for work, and then you'll hear from me just before my driving test tomorrow. Please pray for me. The sexy uniform, I'm now ready for work. As you may have seen, I did put my makeup on in the dark, but I think we're looking okay. Woof woof. I've managed to distract myself since cleaning my car from the terror of tomorrow. I'm gonna end Wednesday here, but I will talk to you before my test tomorrow. Wish me the bestest of luck, and I will see you tomorrow. footage that I edited last night, and it turns out that there's a clip on day 1 of Don eating his Christmas chocolates. And it's funny because at first he doesn't like it and he just leaves a pile on the floor. But I realise that there's pants on the floor. So I now have to edit that out and I'm really sad about it. So that's why you just randomly saw the dog eating his advent calendar chocolate today. But enough about pants. Today is my driving test. And I was fine all of yesterday. It went really fast. And then I got home from work and I just cried. I cried all evening. But then I slept really well. I'm feeling good this morning, and what will be will be. I'm not feeling too nervous. And obviously it's somewhat in my control, but my last 2 tests have proven that not everything is in my control. So, yeah, I'm gonna get ready because straight after my test I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna wear minimal makeup because we need it to last the day. I've got to walk the dog, gotta have some lunch, gotta clean my teeth. And then the next time you hear from me, be it after my test or tonight, you will find out whether or not I passed. As if I got a brand spanking new spot from my driving test stress. Thanks, face. So I'm home from work. I've had a good cry because, yes, I failed a 3rd driving test. But it's fine. I think I'm used to it now. I got through work fine and I cried a little bit afterwards on the phone to my dad. But I guess I know how it goes now. So I guess the pressure's off until January or February, whenever a test is available. I know I won't be taking another test this month. I mean, it seems very unlikely. So I can't be driving home from my work meal tomorrow. I can't be driving to my dad's on the weekend, and I can't be driving to Bloss's next weekend. But it's fine. I'm glad I still have plans because it stops me just coming home from work and moping. So that's fun. I've just had yummy gnocchi for my dinner and I'm gonna spend the evening on my computer chilling, and then I need to find an outfit for tomorrow because we got our work meal. So rest assured, I'm not gonna look this bad tomorrow. I will see you then. Friday. I am running a little late, but I just wanted to say hey before I leave for work. I'm putting a bit of extra effort into my appearance today because I have my Christmas work meal tonight. I haven't yet sat down to book my retest because I'm very torn about what to do. I was thinking I'd book it in Western next, but there are people sowing seeds of doubt in my little mind, which isn't hard to do because doubt in myself is one of my many talents. So yeah, it is Friday, the last day of Vlogmas week 1. and I am ready to get paid and possibly get a little tipples tonight because I am not in the best of moods today. I mean, I woke up feeling fine, but then I sat down to book my retest and I got upset all over again. So that's what's had me running late. I'm just hoping my day improves. I am gonna finish this off and then I'm gonna be off. TGIF, I suppose. From my Christmas meal. It is almost midnight and I am exhausted. But the food was good and I wore a fancy hat, so all is not lost. But I am up at 7 tomorrow morning because, as you know, I work 9 to 7 on Saturdays, so I am sleepy. I'm going to bed and I am going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching my week 1 of Vlogmas. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you next week for week 2. Bye!